Hey everyone, now I will show you how you can change your Google Chrome background into a GIF. So first, you want to go to your search bar and type in GIF, and then go to image and look for any GIF that you want. For me, I'm gonna pick this young cat here. Okay, and you can right click it, click save image as, and then I'm gonna go to here and change this into GIF. Click save, and there you go. You can go to a new page now, go to the bottom right here, and then go to change theme, click upload an image, and click on this neon cat here. Alright, so now it is changed and you have your own GIF in your Google Chrome. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.